Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we are going to be doing an iced latte inspired makeup tutorial. I'm really excited for this because I kind of have been seeing like latte or like espresso type makeup trending recently, and I was like, let me kind of just do my own little spin on it. So I did create this face chart that I wanted to do, and it's kind of giving like this is my inspiration picture, like this little iced latte thing. So I just like did the face chart based on that look, and I'm really excited because I love brown makeup looks. I just feel like it's so like pretty and it's so vampy sometimes, but it's also like cool and just like I just love it. So if you guys want to see my iced latte inspired makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm really excited to be doing this look because like I said, I love brown eyeshadow looks. So first I'm just going to prime my eyes with this Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer in the shade Pan Ochre. I'm going to blend that out with this bullet shaped sponge. Okay, and like I said, so I have this little face chart here that I'm kind of going off of. I think I'm going to be using these two palettes. Now, if you don't have these palettes, you can just use palettes that have similar shades to these. I'm going to be using, although I do recommend these palettes because I love Juvia's Place, I'm going to be using the Warrior and the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. They're just like brown kind of tone palettes, and that's kind of like the vibe I'm going for. Like if you look at the Warrior 2 like cover, that is giving what it's supposed to give for kind of like my iced latte look. So now that I prime my eyes, I'm just gonna take Rimmel London Stay Matte powder, which I actually really love this powder. I'm just gonna take that on a big blending brush. This is like a non-name brand kind of brush, and I'm just gonna set my lids with that. Okay, so first I'm going to take the first shade in the Warrior 2 palette. I'm just going to take that on a M441 brush, and I'm going to start on the outer corner, but then I'm going to start blending it in to the crease. And now I'm going to go over to the Warrior 1 palette, and I'm going to take Kano. And I'm going to take that on an M433 brush, and I'm just going to put that also on the outer corner and into the crease, which we're just slowly darkening that up. And now I'm going to take the M330 brush, and I'm going to take the second shade in the first row of the Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to put it on the outer corner and also on the lid. Make sure you get it on the lid of the outer corner. We're just blending that a little bit out towards the temple to give that nice winged out effect. Okay, and now on this chrome Morphe brush, I'm going to take the second shade in the last row of the Warrior 2 palette. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Now on this small BH Cosmetics brush, I'm going to take Zaz, which is the white shade, and put that in the inner corner of my eye, but also blend it a little bit into the lid. Gorgeous. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the Warrior palette again. I'm gonna take this small brush, and I'm basically gonna do like a brown blended out liner with the shade Mino. Okay, I'm actually gonna take Walzana and just darken up that blended out smoky liner. And I'm not going all the way in to the inner corner where that white is. I'm just kind of like stopping halfway. Okay, so my camera cut me off, but while I was off camera, I just did my other eye and my foundation. I wanted to do the rest with you guys. When I did my foundation, I just really sharpened up that eyeshadow, as you can see, like that. I just wanted to show you guys that, and look how like good it looks when you sharpen it up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face with you guys. I just feel like it will be fun. So for concealer, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I let my under eyes sit, but I'm just gonna blend out my chin, my nose, and my forehead. I'm gonna let that concealer, like I said, under my eyes sit for a little bit. For cream bronzing, I'm gonna take this ABH Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. Like, come on now, perfect. This is my favorite brush to blend out like contour and stuff. It is the Real Techniques cheek brush. And for my nose, I'm gonna take this angled blending brush and just blend that out, taking it kind of into the crease of my eye. Now I'm gonna blend out my under eye concealer with this Real Techniques beauty sponge. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna take that Rimmel London Stay Matte powder again, and I'm just gonna take that on this triangle like puffer. For powder bronzing, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Full Coverage Super Stay Powder Foundation in the shade Java. Okay, and now for under eyes, I'm gonna take Kafuru, which is the second shade in the Juvia's Place palette, the second one, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer part of my eye and connect it to the top. For lips, I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade 22, which is like this brown shade, and then I'm just gonna put some concealer in the middle and blend it out. But I'm gonna go off camera, put on some lashes, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished iced latte inspired makeup look. I love it so much. Like, y'all can't tell me that this makeup look isn't top tier. Like, look at it. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think about it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box, linked down below. If you like me, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I know I said that already, but I'm trying to reach a certain amount of subscribers by the end of the year. It's kind of a big goal, but you know what they say, you know, try to have big goals. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you're seeing this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here. And yeah, if you recreate this look, please tag me on any of my social medias. The face chart like isn't on the screen in the beginning, but it will also be in my on my Instagram. And yeah, I feel like I just look so good. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.